So let's unbox this Roland equipment. So they did me a solid there at Shadow's Music because I buy high-end used audio interfaces for the last like 10 years of my career, and they straight up traded in my Focusrite Clear A 4 Pre Plus for $250, and then what they did was they only charged me like $140 and change. So you can bring in trade into your local shop and get a new audio interface. And again, like, this is low latency. Looks like it has a DC power, I read, brick that some interfaces are not ran by serial bus or USB bus ports, and they run off actual power supplies. So this is the plug-in. It's a grounded plug-in, it looked like. And it also, the Roland actually has a ground switch too, which I was impressed with. So you can plug it into low late or not ideal power strips. That was the phrase. And then it has like a ground switch that will, I'll have to read up on it specifically what it does, but and how it does what it does. So set this up. It's actually a pretty long cable, like 6 feet. It'll work good. USB cable, it's powered, so it actually sends a lot of power to it too. Huh, good. I also sold a Focusrite 2i2 today, and older computer. The price fell on older computers too, it looks like, quite a lot. So if you're looking for a machine, the actual, wow, this is heavy, man. This is the real thing. This is the real thing. Like I said, I've never bought a new interface before. All of them have been used. Wow. It says these are 4 pounds, but it feels like it's a lot more than that. So, comp limit. Oh, compressor, it's got 3. And comp and limit. Interesting. So for 1 and 2, so stereo pair. Phone source, that was cool too. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Ground lift, ground lift. Interesting. Power, DC in, MIDI, USB. And then what's cool about this too is it has like the Focusrite products and some of the Clear A products that I've purchased. They have indicators on here, so green, yellow, red. And then it has actually like a threshold for, it looked like for the comp limiter. You can like engage it from the front. And I think channels 1 and 3 are high Z, low Z. Switch on and off. That's just cool too. And the 48, it's really cool. So in the next video, I'm going to set it up with Windows 10. See what happens there.